Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to tint applications on your iPhone 17 on iOS 26. So actually, it's very easy. The only thing you have to do is to at first unlock your device. And as you can see, these are the basic icons that you have on your iPhone and that were on the iOS 18, etc, etc. To tint them, you have to hold your finger in the background, tap edit in the top left corner, but of course tap it, not miss it. I hate this button. Here you have to tap Customize. Once here, tap Tint. Here, as you can see, you can change the color of the tint and change the saturation of this color, as you can see. That's how it works. And here, apart from that, you have this based on your wallpaper, based on your phone's color, phone's case. I don't have the case. And here you have based on your phone color. I'll leave it on, for example, my wallpaper. And here that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.